Guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you I can get rid of the service required indicator of a Renault Talisman 2015. When we turn or press the ignition on, there is an indicator popping up in the dashboard, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can get rid of that. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars, some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, first step was to press the ignition on. Then we're gonna scroll through the menu and find surface intervals. Not this one, but this one. Once it is on surface intervals, press and hold the OK button on the right side of the steering wheel. Then you'll have the indicator. There are several service indicators like this one and this one. I want to start by resetting this one. Press and hold the OK button. You'll see that the indicator is blinking. Keep it pressed till it stops blinking, like this. Then scroll for the next service, this one also. Press the OK button. Keep the OK button pressed till it starts blinking and stops blinking, and you'll see that the indicator over here disappeared, the range indicator or the service indicator. Do the check by starting the car. You'll see that the indicator doesn't show up or pop up anymore. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Leave your comment if you like, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.